Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to force Windows 10 to stay on existing feature update version. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Windows Update. Click and expand Windows Update for Business. Open the target feature update version. Check Enabled. Right-click Start button. Run. Type WinVer. My feature update version is 2004. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.